Mercedarian Sisters of Charity, Asian Delegation Novices presents the life and the mission of our beloved founder, Father Sigri.
Father of the afflicted, prophet of love, teacher of the canon law provider, friend of the poor. All for the good of humanity, in God, by God, and for God. This blessed Sigri, a father, teacher, friend of the afflicted, popularly known in Granada, Spain as Juan Nepomuceno Sigri y Moreno. He was born on October 11, 1831 in Granada, Spain, and baptized on October 12, 1831. He was the eldest son of Don Antonio Sigri Martin Abril and Doña Josefa Moreno Escudero. His father was a doctor and his mother was a housewife, and he belongs to a noble family. His parents made him to grow in generosity and devotion to Mary of Mercy, with evangelical human values and dedication to prayer and charity towards the poor.
Our founder Sigri is also a voracious learner, very intelligent from his childhood, which made him to receive bachelor in philosophy, doctorate in theology, and canon law provider. He studied at the seminary of San Dionisio in Granada. On 2nd of June 1855, he was ordained as priest in the Cathedral of Granada. He reflects well and writes his sermons, and he did not say what he did not pray. Almost we have 3 volumes of his sermons, which shows his complete devotion to the Eucharist. He was a man of profoundly open to the will of God in all times. He felt the call to give birth to a new congregation in the church. He did not hesitate to respond to the divine inspiration and left all the privileged positions as Vicar General, the second command, canon law provider, diocese judge for ecclesial case, but he consecrated everything for the good of humanity and founded the congregation on March 16, 1878 in Malaga, Spain. And he gave his congregation the wonderful charism that is service of redemptive charity. He took for his
His meritorious achievement was 50 charitable establishments were founded within 10 years. His dream was that nobody should be left alone in the world. So, the first missionary journey his daughters began on June 8, 1883 to Chile. Even though it was first attempted but never gave up, began the mission on 1910 to Caribbean island, the country called Dominican Republic. And after 103 years, for the Segre dream fulfilled to open the community once again in Chile. Even though Father Segre became the founder of the congregation, but he never left aside his spiritual life and priestly spirituality, that he was appointed a royal chaplain for Queen Isabel in 1887. Our congregation not only for the consecrated, but it opens a door wider to include all. So, we welcome our laity who wants to share our charism. And at the age of 74, in the year 1905, March 17, left to heaven, leaving a legacy behind. On 2003, November 9, the church declared him as a blessed by Pope John Paul II, a father, teacher, and a friend of the poor, once said his dream to cure all wounds, to find remedy for all evils, to ease all sorrows, to cast away all needs, to wipe away all tears, not to live in the world, if possible, one single person abandoned, afflicted, helpless, without religious education and without resources. So, still his dream is fulfilling among us through his followers who are continuing his mission, that not to abandon anyone in the world. Long live Blessed Father Segre.